Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to discuss the next possible direction of gold for next week. First of all, this is gold monthly chart. But before looking at it, we have to look at economic calendar. So this is our next week economic calendar. We have a red folder news. If you have, first of all, change your trading view time and also Forex factory time to UTC-4 so that your time window align with New York local time. So I have filtered the only high impact news, the red folder news and medium impact news. If there is any for dollar, if any news that affect the dollar, if that news is bullish for dollar, then that news will be bearish for gold. The first news is at 10 a.m. ISM Services PMI. This news measures US service sector health. Above 50 shows growth and below 50 shows contraction. It impacts dollar, stocks and interest rate. This news is released monthly on the third business day. Tomorrow is third business day. And on Tuesday we have no news. On Wednesday we have FOMC. That is a very high impact news. Market give a very big move after this news. This is Federal Open Market Committee. It decides US interest rates and guides monetary policy to control inflation and support employment. This meeting is held 8 times a year and it strongly impacts the market. The third red folder news is unemployment claims. It is coming on 8:30 a.m. It comes every week, every Thursday, and it tells us about real-time labor market trends. And one common question about news that is asked, there are many traders who say that, see, we have predicted the NFP, FCPI or FOMC. Keep this in mind. No one, not even the US president, knows the exact FOMC decision before it's officially released. These decisions are made in closed meetings and leaks are strictly prohibited to maintain market fairness. That's why if someone tells you that, see, I have predicted this news, no one can. So let's move towards gold now. If you are not in our Telegram, you can join it by typing in the search bar Hamad Trades. And if you have any question about trading, you can ask me by sending a message on WhatsApp using this number. Now let's move towards chart of gold. This is our gold monthly chart. As you can see on the monthly time frame, the wick has closed down and new month has started and market is coming down. So it is very clear that it can come down to this wick easily, just like the last month. Last month market made a low of the month here, as you can see, and then moved up. Now if we move down to our weekly time frame, what is here on the weekly time frame? There is a fair value gap. So this is the easiest target for gold for the next week. Gold can easily fall into this fair value gap. It is almost 800 pips down. Market is going to fall into it. Now if we drop down to the daily time frame, before moving down, I want that the market make a high of the week before coming down into this week. Market can make high of the week by using this fair value gap that is on the upside. This is our daily fair value gap. So if I drop down to 4-hour time frame, you can see that it is very clear that market is going to go up on Monday and going to take this high and then move towards this area, this strong supply area, and then hit this zone and then drop down to this level. That is our weekly target. So this is our weekly direction for gold. This is the easiest target. You can also see that this is also a supply zone. Market has dropped down from here already, and again market is going to test it or going to make the high of the week and then it is going to fall.